Okay everybody, this is Leon, Southern Style Pressure Wash, LaGrange, Georgia. We're here at this house. This customer wants the roof clean. As you can see, the roof is dirty, the gutters are dirty. They also want the driveway clean. Jason started on that. Pretty long driveway. And then we're going to wash the house, back patio, sidewalks. So this customer is getting the whole 9 yards. So I want to show you a little bit of this before I clean it. Bear with me, I'm going to climb up the ladder. This is a close-up on it. See how dirty it is. And I'm going to start from the top. Start treating it. And by the time I get the house washed, after I get the roof treated, all this will be dried. And also show you a finished product. If you're tired of those old ugly stains on your roof, you need to call me at Southern Style Pressure Wash. 706-523-0268. This algae that is on this roof is caused from airborne algae. It's algae, mildew, and lichen. Lichen is another algae also. And what it does, it latches onto the lime rock and the shingles and it begins to grow. And I'm using 12.5 sodium hypochlorite, which is some bad chemical. You don't want to get it on you. You don't want to try this at home. You want to call a professional. Okay, it's treated on this one corner. I'm going to let this sit for a while. You can see this house, how dirty it is. I'll show you that when I get through with it too. That's mold and mildew right there on the vinyl siding. And the gutters, we cleaned those out also. And there's my little helper. He's out of school, so Pops is putting him to work.